Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about finding the rate in a word problem on continuous compound interest. So, take a look at this problem. Pete and Sandy hope to have $500,000 in savings in 25 years for a retirement nest egg. What is the minimum interest rate they need to secure if they deposit $75,000 today into an account that compounds interest continuously? Alright, so again, we're working with compound interest continuously. I have other videos on this. And when we're working with compounding interest continuously, we work with the A equals PE to the R times T equation. Now, A is the final amount, P is the initial amount, E is a constant number, R is a rate, and T is the time. So A, in this case, the final amount we want is $500,000. R, let's actually go back. P is the initial amount they put in, so they're going to deposit $75,000. R is the rate, which is what we're told we want to know. Right? This is our question. What is the minimum interest rate? And T is the time we're going to keep this money in for 25 years. So this equation will be A, which is 500,000, equals 75,000, or P, times E to the rate, which we don't know, so let's just leave that as R, times T, which is 25. So in order to solve this, what will I do? Well, I can divide by 75,000. This is a solving an exponential equation problem, which I have other videos on. And what we first need to do is just get this E by itself. So I end up with 20 divided by 3, after some simplification, equals E to the 25R. Now, how do I solve this problem? I take the natural log of both sides. Now that is not the prettiest natural log. And why do I do that? Because I'll get the natural log of 20/3 equals, what can I do with exponents when they're inside of a natural log? I can move them down in front and multiply by the natural log. And what is the natural log of E? The natural log of E is 1. And from here to get R by itself, 25 is just being multiplied by R, so I can divide by 25. That goes to 1. So R, so I get natural log of 20/3 divided by 25 equals R, which is about 0.0759. With rate, we're going to put it in percentage, which is 7.59%. So with this one, how did I know I needed to put it in a percent? The problem asks round your answer to 100%. So we're going to want it in the percentage. Now, I'm going to do a new video on finding T, or time, and we do it the same way. Okay, very similar, but now we're dealing with time instead of a rate.